Stock market. How to invest in stock market. A stock market is a place where billions of investors and shareholders get together and trade stocks or shares of companies. A stock or share is a piece of ownership in a company. When you buy a company's stock on the stock market, you're essentially buying a piece of ownership of that company. You become one of the owners or shareholders of that company. That's why we know Warren Buffett as one of the biggest investors and shareholders in major U.S. companies. So in other words, the stock market is a place where people can easily buy and sell ownership interests in large companies. The stock market is largely made up of stock exchanges, which are the hubs of where the trading takes place. Although there are countless different stock exchanges, but the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and NASDAQ are the world's biggest stock exchanges. Just to draw a more visual example of stocks, it is exactly like a vegetable market, although stock markets today are electronic in nature. You have a vegetable or a basket of vegetables and you quote your price. Buyers come and go. If they agree to your price, a trade happens. The ownership of the stock is transferred from you to the buyer. Owning a stock means owning a part of that company. The price of your stock is market determined and depends on the demand and supply. So, for example, if onion production is low and demand for onions is high, the prices of onions will be high. Stock companies need money, so they offer stocks, and that is why they go public. And it's called IPO, Initial Public Offering. And that is where future investors come in and try to buy shares. That's how they make massive capital. How do you make money in stocks? People make money off the price of the stock changing by going up and down and dividends. You can stick to basic investing where you buy shares in hopes the company would go well and is profitable. That's basic investing, and you will reap the benefits of that company. And if you invest in companies that give you dividends while their stock price goes up or down, you can just hold that company and receive dividends, which are just basically kickbacks for owning that company. And dividends are usually set of amount per share. You can also make money by options. When you trade with options, you can make profits off a company rising in price or falling in price. By the way, options are a bit more advanced and risky, so you definitely need to know and understand the stock market before you go with options. So, how do you start with stocks? You can simply start with your phone, download Robinhood, set up your account, and you are good to go. And that's it. I hope you liked the video.